Okay, so I'm going to do a little meditation now. So why don't we just go into that place and maybe walk through those steps together. So I invite you to just take a couple of deep breaths. Just feel yourself settling into the chair, into your body, into this moment. Just noticing the quality of air as you inhale and you exhale. And now just taking a moment of awareness, an appreciation for the mind and all of its meaning-making that has served you well. And imagine breathing into that meaning-making area of the mind and creating a little bit of spaciousness. While calming the heart and reminding the heart and the body that you're safe. Allowing a little spaciousness in the mind to be open and curious. To have compassion for yourself, for your experiences, and for others. And as you breathe into the mind, allowing that spaciousness, you might notice the body starting to relax and soften, and the heart open and fill with compassion. Allowing the heart to soften by reminding yourself, I'm safe, I'm held, I'm supported. Reminding the mind that it can slow down and stay open and curious. Allowing the body to relax even when there's discomfort and uncertainty. Recognizing that there is a grace within. That benevolent power within each of us. That light of God that surrounds us. Just allowing yourself to be fully washed over by that light of God. And then taking a deep breath and coming back into the awareness of the room with that sense of gratitude and ease. Namaste.